Code 3. It's John Bohr, ladies and gentlemen, doing a little solo run. 6,500 pounds street modified in his vintage Dodge. 440 underneath the hood. He's got that hard-lined hose reel in there. Got the red light on the top. We got it going on. We had the train whistle going down the track. Now we got us the Chief's fire truck out here. He's got the grab bars on the side. Take a look at that. They just need to get a little gold leaf lettering on the door, and they're ready. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. John Bohr.
Oh, he's got the little silent thing on now.
The red